Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is the 17th of October, 2024, and we have some intriguing stories lined up for you. From innovative tech applications in Tesla vehicles to regulatory challenges faced by the Cybertruck in Europe, we've got it all covered. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's dive into our first story, which explores a fascinating project involving OpenTelemetry and a Tesla Model 3. This initiative demonstrates how to monitor a Tesla's charging and driving statistics using a Python service that connects with the Tesla Owner API. By capturing metrics every 5 minutes, these are then exported to a greptimedb instance hosted in Docker. The project provides a comprehensive guide on setting up the environment, whether through Docker or directly on the host machine, using tools like Poetry and PyEnv. The article walks through creating a meter for telemetry metrics, configuring exporters and readers, and employing asynchronous methods for data collection. A metric collector class simplifies managing metrics such as battery level and charging statistics, while the EV metric data class updates and exports these metrics. To get started, users need valid Tesla login credentials to authenticate with Tesla's servers. The project includes a Grafana dashboard for visualizing the metrics and instructions on connecting to greptimedb using a PostgreSQL client to verify the captured data. Now, shifting gears to Europe, where a modified Tesla Cybertruck has arrived in the Czech Republic, stirring quite a bit of controversy. Despite its futuristic appeal, the Cybertruck faces significant hurdles due to its design, which doesn't comply with European safety regulations. The vehicle's sharp edges and bulkiness are at odds with EU motor directives, raising safety concerns, particularly for pedestrians. The European New Car Assessment Programme hasn't tested the Cybertruck yet, but experts are already sounding alarms about its potential risks. An open letter from various European transport NGOs has called for the Cybertruck's deregistration, arguing that its design is incompatible with EU safety standards. The vehicle's weight also exceeds the limit for light-duty vehicles, necessitating additional safety features like speed limiters. The owner attempted to classify it as a light-duty vehicle to circumvent these regulations, but this move has been challenged by the NGOs. The letter starkly compares the Cybertruck to a guided missile in terms of pedestrian safety, underscoring the differences between US and European automotive safety standards. The NGOs are urging Czech authorities to take decisive action against the Cybertruck's presence on public roads. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories as intriguing as we did. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the articles we discussed. Join us again tomorrow for more updates and insights into the world of Tesla and beyond. Until then, stay informed and drive safely.